Hi beauties, I am lost right now. We have a busy day. I'm going to tour an apartment and then I'm going to a gym in that location after just to like scope out the scene and see what the vibe is, but I have to go take a train right now. It's taking me to like a new stop that I've never been to, so I'm kind of lost, but I think I see it, the stop up ahead, so I think we're actually good. And then we'll meet Keenan later in Amsterdam. So we have a full travel day ahead of us. Thankfully I self-tanned yesterday, so I am feeling unstoppable and like I can handle any task that comes my way. Lighting check. You guys, the day I have had, oh my gosh. First of all, every tram that I was on, my phone would for some reason try to get me on trams or trains that had already left. So I'm like running around trying to catch all these trains and trams that literally don't exist anymore, and it was a mess. You know that feeling when you're like running around stressed out because you like feel like you're gonna be late or you're like rushing around? And then on the train I literally had to like take a breath and be like, I'm the only reason I'm even like this stressed. Like I'm making myself think that way. But anyway, we went and viewed it. I couldn't show you guys the whole place, but it was beautiful. We'll see what happens. There's a few other logistics that aren't the best, but we'll see. Obviously you take what you can get here. I'm walking to the gym now, but I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. Now I'm walking like a beautiful canal. I love being in Europe. Now that that's all done, I feel like I'm not as stressed. I've taken a deep breath and was like, girl, you're creating all this stress in your head. Like you really don't need to be rushing around. Everything is gonna be okay, and it was. Wait, that's so pretty. I'm gonna stop and take a picture of that. I feel like the picture didn't even like capture actually how pretty it is. Honestly, guys, I've been all over Holland today. Like all over. Now I'm in Amsterdam. I really want to get a workout in, and I'm wearing more like my workout clothes. And this is a new location, I think. I don't think I've been to this one yet, so I'm actually excited to see it. I wish you guys could feel the ambiance right now. I showed like a clip, but like all the lights are on and it's like kind of dark, but not too dark. So it's like a really cozy vibe, and I'm listening to like slow country, like Chris Stapleton vibes. Wait, this is so magical. I cut my workout short because I'm about to go meet Keen's. So I got like my leg workout in, but I didn't get to hit abs as much as I wanted to, but honestly it's fine because I've been walking everywhere today, so I think I got enough cardio in. I wish you guys could be here right now to experience this with me. This is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Not me stopping every 5 minutes to take pictures because of how beautiful it is, but I've never walked around this late at night like alone before. Normally I'm always with people, so I feel like I'm actually able to take it all in. You guys, this is the most magical moment of my life. This is the most magical moment. A bunch of birds just flew by like over the lights. The buildings are like beautifully lit. The vibes are immaculate right now. Okay, wait, I needed this today, honestly. With how crazy of a day it was. I don't know if you guys can see the boat. Just so you know the vibes, I'm listening to What Are You Listening To by Chris Stapleton. Okay, I'm gonna rally to go meet Keen's. Love you.
Yeah.
I just had the most magical experience.
Doing what?
Babe, all the lights are on the canals.
Oh yeah, yeah. Especially down there.
And there was like boats going through that were all lit up. It was amazing vibes.
Was it beauty?
It was so beautiful. I wish you were there.
I wish I was there.
But you can watch it on the vlog with all my with all my friends that were with me. Hello, beauties. Happy Thursday. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, it's Thanksgiving. Wow, this is the first, no, this isn't the first Thanksgiving I'm celebrating without my family, but this is the first Thanksgiving I'm celebrating in another country, far away from my family. I'm not even celebrating Thanksgiving actually, because Thanksgiving isn't celebrated in the Netherlands. And I'm not gonna lie, it does feel a little strange. Keenan's on a work trip too, so quiet Thanksgiving. Not even one, but whatever. I'm about to go to the gym. It's hair washing day, but I want to like slick my hair. But I don't want to do the same boring things I do every time, so I was looking up hairstyles on Pinterest and I actually found a kind of a cute one. I'm gonna try to recreate it. I will say it is strange to like not do the typical like Thanksgiving things. Like I know last night would have been Blackout Wednesday, where like everyone goes to their hometown bars and like sees all of their friends that they grew up with, and it is like kind of weird not doing that. Like it would be so weird if I did that here. Like first of all, none of my childhood friends are here. Second of all, it was a normal Wednesday night, so that would have been concerning if I would have been out at the bars on like a Wednesday night going crazy. Yeah, I guess I'm missing my family a bit today, because this is the first time I'm like not celebrating Thanksgiving. It feels so strange. But if I'm gonna be so honest, I didn't even really care for Thanksgiving that much when I was there. Like I didn't really care for it. Like the food wasn't necessarily my favorite, but I'm such a family person that I loved being able to like be with my family, so that part is strange. So anyway, if you're dreading Thanksgiving with your family, just enjoy it, because I'm over here on the other side of the world and I don't get to be with my family, so enjoy it for me. Anyway, we're still gonna have a really good day. I'm feeling good today. I have a cute little workout set on and I'm gonna go to the gym, which I'm really excited to do. I think I have the video down just from memory. This looks crazy, but it's gonna be good. Okay, and then you like split the ponytail in half, and then you braid on one side, and then you take clear elastic. Then I'm going to fan it out a little. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing. I will say though, the growth that I have felt within myself moving to another country has been crazy and extremely humbling. I feel like when you move to a new country, you have to be prepared to not know what is going on at all 90% of the time. Like 90% of the time, I have no clue what is going on, and you just kind of have to like chip away and get through it until you figure it out. And then when you do figure it out and you're like, okay, I think I got it, like I think I got the swing of things, right when you think you get it, you get humbled. You moved on to level 3. Okay, now I'm at the point where I don't remember how she did. Oh my gosh, I hope these bobby pins secure it, because it like is rejecting the bobby pins. What is going on? Do I like not know how to use bobby pins properly? It keeps pushing. I hope that looks good, but I'm not redoing it. My arms are sore. I love this hair and scalp oil because it literally smells like coconut. My hair literally has never felt so soft after using it, and it smells so good, and it's like the perfect pre-wash slick back thing. Hair is done. I'm just gonna do like a little light makeup in case I think I might go shopping. I don't know. It's just a fun thing to go look. I literally, shopping here is my favorite thing because it's so fun to look around at what is in the stores, and it's just the holidays. I feel like everyone's just out shopping and I'm alone on Thanksgiving, so what better thing to do than go shopping, right? Okay, I've did my makeup and the hair. I actually really like how it turned out, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I'm ready to go to the gym now, so let's go have our little Thanksgiving day together. You guys are my family for Thanksgiving, so let's go do it. Let's go have a great day. I'm feeling good though. I'm excited, and my music is popping off right now. I feel like I've found some of the best music lately. So I'm continuing my hunt because I feel like I have good luck with finding good music right now. I love when I have this whole room to myself, but I always get nervous someone's gonna come in while I'm talking to you guys, and then I'm gonna look crazy because I'm like talking to myself. Wait, look at how cute my set is. It's from Nike. I've honestly had it forever. I feel like I have to like kneel down, and it has like these stitches that go through it. And then my quarter zip is from Aritzia. It's like an over. I bought the bigger size so both Keenan and I could wear it, but I'm obsessed with this, like hands down worth every penny. I also bought it in like pink, duh. But now I'm gonna do abs and like a little bit of yoga Pilates stretch, and then I think I'm gonna walk again and do like a cool down walk. And then I really want to go and browse around in H&M across the street, so I think we're gonna do that. I'm not gonna get anything though. Okay, I've done enough shopping. I really don't need to. I just like to browse. I like to see. I mean, what girl doesn't like a little shopping day? Plus, I'm alone on Thanksgiving, so we're gonna go shop. Okay, let's do this workout. My SoundCloud playlist and likes have just been too good recently. Okay, let's go do my last cool down walk. I've made it back. I have a lot of work I need to do tonight, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here, get it edited and uploaded for you guys, amongst a few other things that I have to do tonight. I always work better at night. I don't know what it is. My whole life I've been a little night owl. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog and hanging out with me, and I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving if you're in America and celebrate it. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys next Thursday for another weekly vlog. Bye, beauties.